You know, when you go to college, for example, you get like a lot of groups. Which one do you know is the right group to choose to like associate with or just talk to?
Very simple. A group who are Ashkan Rasool. No, Ashkan Rasool, true lovers of beloved Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala loves that the ummatis of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam must love him. And Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam has said himself, لا يؤمن أحدكم حتى أكون أحب إليه من والده وولده والناس أجمعين. That none of you would be a believer, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, till you love me more than your parents, more than your children, and more than every other person in this universe. And that is the Iman. And Alhamdulillah Azza wa Jal, you will find Ashkan Rasul that whenever they talk about Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, they're so careful. They choose the most beautiful words to describe his personality. And you will find in Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, no doubt about it. We learn from Ala Hazrat. The most beautiful words that and the adab and respect that he has taught us. You know, Mustafa Jane Rahmat bil Akhun Salam. Look at the words that he used. There are people who say he's a man like us. He's just like us. Nothing special about him. But when Ala Hazrat talks, he says that he's not just mercy. He's actually the essence and the ruh and the life of mercy. He's Jane Rahmat. And Zamino Zaman Tumare Liye, Makino Makan Tumare Liye. All, these lessons that are given by our elders, by our leaders. So, of course, you have to see one thing. People that are sending Salatu Salam, celebrating his arrival in this dunya, Mauludun Nabi, Miladun Nabi. That's a clear sign and symbol. You will find it everywhere. And there's no need to be confused, nothing to see more than that. And you are with the mainstream. And that's where the protection is. Protection of faith is to be with the mainstream, not with isolated ideas and groups. And if you find the world, even till today, the mainstream Islam, Muslims all over the world, they celebrate Miladun Nabi. And in fact, 99.99% of the Muslim countries, they have public holiday on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. Why is that? It's because the mainstream Islam believe in celebration of Mauludun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Man shazza shuzza fin nar. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that the one who broke away from the mainstream, he single will go into hellfire. So we don't need to be part of someone that's totally, strange, alien, isolated. We need to be with the mainstream.